Thank you. Productive naman. Kaya nga tinatanong ko, Kuya Mike, di naman kita gina-judge. Sinabi ko lang naman, sinabi mo na din yan 3 years ago, di nasa sa'yo kung ano yung sagot mo sa akin. So, ano yung naging pagiging productive mo ngayong year? Regular verbs, ed, same as simple past. Regular verbs, often different from simple past. Examples. Perfect tense, I have eaten. She has finished. They had gone. The food was eaten quickly. The homework has been finished. Used alone. Used with have, has, had. Tells when something happened. Focuses on result or experience. Okay. If the sentence has have, has, had, you need the past participle, not the simple past. Have ate. Hindi siya pwede. Dapat have eaten. Okay. If you want, I can give eh. Alright. Yun pala yun. Malapit na ako sa credit life. Papunta na ako sa more money life. Go, Kuya Mike. Bakit? Madami kang credits? Madami ka bang debt? Na, Kuya Mike. Wait. Exercise for paano mo nabayaran? Wala ka mang work. Bakit ka ba nagka-work? Nagka-work. Ba't ka ba answers only, sabi ko. Bobo mo. I've read. Why? You've used. Muntik ko pa makalimutan. Yun dapat pala, hindi ka ganun magpinto. Hindi ko pa makalimutan. So, ito naman ng mga mag-invest ako din, Kuya Mike. Madami akong you've used. Dami akong ganun eh. Have you done anything? Have you done anything? Have you? Fill the blanks or present perfect verb. You can use one verb more than once. Make a contraction with have or has where possible. Have you done? Mm-hmm. Has your friend been careful with life? Been? Larry Page. There's no one. Eh? Ito na nga lang. May answers na. Exercise 4. Bye-bye! Pao. Pao. Exercise. Yung lagi lang nasa live ko, itong si ML. Ang pangalan nito? Laba! Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ito. Laging nasa live ko to. Kaya yun. Taga Vietnam ba yun? About you. About you. Is there